Josh Berry, and I ride for the Giant Factory off-road team. I wear Velocio apparel, and I'm here at the Mammoth crib. Today I'm making a frittata for you. This is something that I make quite often, and I'm pairing it with an arugula salad. We have broccolini, tomatoes, green onions, dill, and we have our arugula here, eggs, and then we're going to use 2 different types of cheddar and feta, and do it all for a quick meal to go. For the base of our frittata, we're going to use butter. We already have olive oil on the pan, and then we're going to do the shallots and green onions first. Get the butter in there. Don't be afraid of it. The French are faster cyclists than me, and they use way more. Then shallots, green onions, all in there. Let that get hot. Once these are starting to brown, I like to put the broccolini in. Give that a chance to cook a little more before we put the other items in. More butter. So we're only cooking for about 16 of us, but we're only going to do 8 eggs, but now we're adding an onion. Lots and lots of salt, and even more pepper. And I'll do this at this stage and at the end. This is the best whisking of ice, for sure. At this point, we pretty much blanched the broccoli in butter, which is what we want. It's still crunchy on the inside. I'm going to add in some of these tomatoes first. I'm going to hopefully leave a lot of the juice on this plastic cutting board. And then I'm going to add some of the green onions as well. And then we're going to go there. We're going to take this. Before we throw this on there, I like to turn it all the way up. Get a little more heat. As I said, we want it really hot so it fluffs. Pour all of that in there. So it's already setting up. This is on broil. We're gonna throw it straight in there like that. For the base of our arugula salad, we have some baby arugula, really fragrant, really peppery, and we're gonna use even more pepper to bring out that taste. Do a little salt and pepper right away on it. And then we're going to take these tomatoes, cut them, put them in there, and that will be ready for when we toast the pine nuts. If you get them brown, they're the most delicious things. If you get them black, they're disgusting. And it is 100% the flavor that is going into our salad. And you have only a little bit of time to roast these, and you have to keep them moving. And you also have to pay attention to your frittata at the same time. But it is worth everything. The pine nuts are brown. It smells great in here. You want to put those straight into your salad. Take this, grab the tray. It's already browning on the top. That is what you want. And you're going to use this moment to get even more cheese on there. Just so it looks nice and baked as you go. You know what? I'm just gonna pull it on out now. The frittata is ready. Thanks for tuning in to the easy frittata made at Mammoth Crib. Here it is, just the frittata, salad, some good bread with it, is nice. Drink some lovely water. Good